In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a content calendar in Trello. If you're looking to stay organized and streamline your content creation process, a content calendar is the perfect tool to keep your ideas, deadlines, and workflow in one place. Trello is an intuitive and flexible platform that makes managing such a calendar simple and effective. Whether you're working solo or as part of a team, this tutorial will guide you step by step on how to set up a dynamic content calendar for 2025. Let's dive in and get started. First, open Trello and create a new board. Once you're in Trello, click on the Create button, select Board from the options, and when prompted, give your board a name. Let's call it Content Calendar 2025. You can also choose a background to visually organize your board. This step is optional, but adding some color or an image can make your workspace more engaging and easier to navigate. Now, let's set up your workflow using lists. Start by creating a list named Ideas or Backlog. This will be where all your raw content concepts and brainstorming notes go. Next, create a list called Planned. This list is for ideas that have been approved and are ready for development. After that, set up a list titled Writing or Drafting. This stage is for content that's currently in production. Then create a list called Editing or Review to track content being polished and reviewed for final approval. Follow this with a list named Scheduled. This will hold content that has a confirmed publish date. Finally, create a list called Published. Completed and live content will move here. For each piece of content, create a new card. Give each card a clear, descriptive title so everyone knows what it represents at a glance. Inside the card, add a description that summarizes the content, identifies the target audience, or includes any key notes. If there are relevant files like images or graphics, attach them directly to the card. To stay organized, add a checklist to each card. This checklist can include tasks like drafting, editing, designing, optimizing for SEO, and any other steps in your content creation process. Assign team members to each card to clarify responsibilities. That way, everyone knows who's in charge of what. Don't forget to set a due date for each card. This will serve as the content's publish date. To categorize your content further, use labels. Labels can help you filter and sort your cards by content type, priority level, or platform, whatever suits your needs. For example, you might use one color label for blog posts, another for video content, and a third for social media campaigns. Next, enable Trello's Calendar Power-Up. This feature allows you to view all your cards by their due dates in a calendar format. It's a fantastic way to see your schedule at a glance. If you need to adjust deadlines, simply drag and drop cards directly in the calendar view to reschedule them. For recurring tasks, create consistent checklists. These can include standard steps like research, writing, editing, formatting, and publishing. Having a template checklist saves time and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. Remember to update your calendar regularly as work progresses. As you move through the workflow, drag cards from list to show which stage of production each piece of content is in. Be sure to check off tasks on your checklists as they're completed. If necessary, adjust due dates to reflect any changes in your schedule. Once a piece of content has been published, move its card to the published list to keep your board clean and organized. Archive cards for content that's finished and no longer needs active tracking. When naming your lists, keep the titles short and clear. This helps everyone on your team understand the workflow at a glance. Use consistent labels and colors throughout your board to make filtering and sorting simple. Adding emojis to your lists or cards can also provide quick visual cues, making navigation even easier. Finally, make it a habit to review your content calendar weekly. This ensures you're staying on track with deadlines and priorities while giving you a chance to make any adjustments as needed. And that's it. With your Trello board set up as a content calendar, you'll have a powerful tool to manage your content creation process efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.